Welcome to PharmaconHealth. Neem leaf clears acne in days. Tired of painful pimples, stubborn scars, and acne treatments that just don't work? You're in the right place. At PharmaconHealth, we share natural, science-backed tips that really help. Today, we're talking about neem leaf, a powerful herb that can clear acne fast, safely, and naturally. Let's dive in. Why acne matters beyond skin. Deep acne is more than just a skin problem. It can shake your confidence, impact your mental health, and change how you connect with others. Every day, millions carry the emotional weight of acne silently. But here's the good news: hope is real, and it's rooted in nature. Let's dive in and see just how common the skin challenge really is. Neem leaf clears acne in days. Acne by the numbers, a global skin challenge. Over 85% of teenagers experience acne at some point, and many adults continue to struggle with breakouts. Acne affects all genders, skin types, and ethnicities. It's a universal skin challenge demanding better solutions. With numbers like these, it's clear that effective treatments are essential. Acne, a common concern everywhere. Despite shelves packed with products, millions are still stuck in a cycle of trial and error, frustrated, confused, and hoping for real results. Why do so many treatments overpromise and underdeliver? The truth is deeper than skin. Let's uncover why acne solutions often miss the mark and what actually works. Why common acne treatments fall short. Traditional acne treatments have been around for decades, but they're not without drawbacks. Benzoyl peroxide like Clearasil or Proactiv and salicylic acid, found in Clean and Clear, Neutrogena, are popular over-the-counter options, but they often dry out or irritate sensitive skin. Oral antibiotics like doxycycline and minocycline may reduce inflammation, but long-term use can lead to antibiotic resistance and gut imbalances. Hormonal therapies, such as oral contraceptives or spironolactone, help some, especially women, but can come with side effects like mood changes, weight gain, or menstrual irregularities. With side effects, limited long-term success, and rising costs, it's no surprise that more people are turning to gentler, plant-based alternatives. That's where neem leaf steps in, a time-tested natural remedy with powerful anti-inflammatory, antibacterial, and skin-soothing benefits. Let us take a closer look at how neem works and why it is gaining attention in modern acne care. Neem leaf, Azadirachta indica, commonly known as neem, has been celebrated for thousands of years in traditional medicine as a powerful natural healer, used to treat infections, inflammation, and a wide range of skin ailments. Neem's therapeutic properties are rooted in centuries of use across India and Southeast Asia. Today, modern science confirms what ancient healers long believed: neem possesses potent antibacterial, anti-inflammatory, and antioxidant effects that make it especially useful for managing acne. But before we explore how neem works, let's quickly recap how acne actually develops. The science behind acne formation. Acne forms when 1. Excess swell clogs pores. 2. Dead skin cells accumulate. 3. Bacteria multiply inside clogged pores. 4. Inflammation causes redness and swelling. Hormones, diet, stress, and genetics influence severity. Understanding this process helps explain why neem leaf is so effective. Powerful compounds inside neem leaf. Neem leaf's anti-acne magic comes from nimbin, anti-inflammatory nimbidin, antibacterial, antifungal azadirachtin, antimicrobial quercetin, antioxidant and soothing. Together, they fight bacteria, calm skin, and speed healing. Let's look at exactly how neem leaf works against acne. How neem leaf fights acne. A multi-action approach. Neem leaf kills acne-causing bacteria, reduces inflammation and redness, regulates oil production, promotes skin healing, detoxifies pores. This multi-pronged action sets neem leaf apart from many conventional treatments. Compared to common acne treatments, neem leaf offers several clear advantages. Neem leaf compared to conventional acne remedies. Unlike harsh chemical treatments, neem leaf doesn't cause excessive dryness or irritation, avoids antibiotic resistance risk, supports your skin's natural balance, speeds natural healing. It's a safer, gentler option for many. And science confirms neem leaf's impressive benefits. Scientific evidence supporting neem leaf's benefits. Research shows studies have found neem leaf extract significantly reduces inflammatory acne lesions. Trials demonstrate neem's anti-inflammatory and wound healing properties. These studies confirm neem leaf's real, measurable effects. So, how can you use neem leaf yourself? How to use neem leaf. Effective methods explained. Neem leaf offers several powerful ways to tackle acne both topically and internally. Here's how you can use it effectively. 1. Neem oil, spot treatment. Apply a small amount of pure, cold-pressed neem oil directly onto pimples twice a day. Pro tip: mix 2 drops of neem oil with 1 teaspoon of aloe vera gel. This helps soothe sensitive skin and prevents dryness. 2. Neem leaf paste. Face mask: blend a handful of fresh neem leaves with water or rose water to form a smooth green paste. Apply it evenly to the face and leave on for 15 to 20 minutes. Then rinse with lukewarm water. Use this mask 2 to 3 times a week for visible results. Optional add-ins: half a teaspoon of turmeric for inflammation, or 1 teaspoon of honey to boost hydration. 3. Neem-based cleansers and toners. Use gentle face washes and toners containing neem extract as part of your daily routine, especially if your skin is oily or acne-prone. DIY toner: boil 10 to 15 neem leaves in 2 cups of water. Let it cool, strain, and store it. Apply with a cotton pad, morning and night, for a natural antibacterial boost. 4. Neem capsules. Internal support: neem supplements can help detoxify the blood, reduce internal inflammation, and support skin clarity from within. Important: always consult your doctor before starting neem capsules, especially if you're pregnant, breastfeeding, or on medication. Consistency is key no matter which method you choose. Regular use, ideally twice daily, delivers the best results. What kind of results can you expect and when? Most users see reduced redness and fewer pimples within 3 to 5 days. Smoother, clearer skin appears after 1 to 2 weeks. With ongoing use, scars gradually fade. Patience and regular use truly pay off. And neem leaf is gentle enough for even sensitive skin. Gentle and safe for sensitive skin. Neem leaf is mild and supports skin health without causing peeling or dryness. It helps maintain the skin's natural microbiome and is suitable even for the most sensitive skin types. Just remember to always do a patch test before using it fully. But neem leaf doesn't just help acne, it offers a range of other skin benefits too. Neem leaf's benefits beyond acne: neem leaf also stimulates collagen production for firmer, more youthful skin, fades dark spots, and reduces hyperpigmentation, protects against fungal and bacterial infections, provides powerful antioxidant protection to fight free radicals, soothes inflammation and calms irritated skin, helps balance oil production, preventing excess shine, supports wound healing and skin repair. It's truly a full spectrum skincare ally. To get the most from neem leaf, combine it with healthy habits for radiant, clear skin. Boost neem leaf's effects with healthy lifestyle habits to maximize neem leaf's benefits. Drink plenty of water daily, eat anti-inflammatory foods like leafy greens and berries. Get enough restful sleep every night. Exercise regularly to improve circulation and detoxification. Neem leaf works best when combined with overall wellness. Before we wrap up, here are some important safety tips. Neem leaf safety tips. What you should know: remember, always do a patch test before use. Limit topical application to twice daily. Avoid oral neem during pregnancy. Consult your healthcare provider if you are on other medications or have skin conditions. Safety first. The science keeps evolving too. Recent innovations in neem-based acne treatments. New research explores nanoformulations that improve skin absorption, combinations with other essential oils for enhanced effects, neem-based hydrogel patches for targeted delivery. Science continues to unlock neem's potential. Finally, neem leaf is accessible and affordable worldwide. Why neem leaf is an accessible, affordable solution? Neem leaf grows easily in many climates and is widely available. It's eco-friendly and affordable, making it a sustainable choice for acne treatment worldwide. Let's appreciate neem leaf's rich cultural legacy. Neem leaf's rich cultural legacy. Known as the village pharmacy, neem leaf has long been used to protect skin, cleanse wounds, purify and heal. Its value spans centuries in many cultures. Join the neem leaf revolution for clearer skin. Clear skin starts with informed choices. Try neem leaf-based treatments and pair them with healthy habits. If you found this video helpful, leave a comment below with your experience or questions. Don't forget to subscribe to PharmaconHealth for more natural, science-backed health tips. Nature is your ally. Clear skin is within reach. Thank you for watching PharmaconHealth. Stay healthy, stay natural.